pothole and hit the other.
Yeah, this place is probably gonna be hopping. Wait, that's a marina.
Muskegon Brewing Company. Says it right there.
On the building?
Yeah. Park, you take this.
Don't take us in the Wawa.
It's trying to take you in the Wawa.
No. No, we're not going down there.
Oh my god.
Jesus. I was about ready to jump out.
Yeah, no shit.